What's going on, guys? It's Luis. I know I haven't done anything in a while, but there's a perfectly good explanation for that. And if you saw my last video, that will give you all the information that you need to know why it's been a while since I've posted anything. But today I come to you with a video. So as you can see behind me, it is the new 2022 Subaru Outback in the autumn metallic color. It is the Touring XT edition, and this thing is super dope, and my wife and I are pumped about it. We are glad that we have a new car because our old Subaru, well, it was getting up there in miles, and well, we wanted to kind of upgrade. So since we do a lot of traveling and stuff, we thought it'd be a good idea to get a new car. So we got a new car, and so today what I'm doing is I am installing some overlays on the taillights simply because I just don't like the chrome. I got some overlays from Crux Motorsport, so I wanted to bring you along today and film a little bit of me putting the overlays on, and we'll see how they turn out. So I feel like a lot of people get the 20%, the darkest one, but I actually went with the 50%. I kind of wanted to see what it would look like. I'm gonna go ahead and install those, and you let me know what you think, if you like it. And if you don't, then we'll see what happens. So thanks for coming along, guys. We'll get it going. Looks like this is gonna be this side over here. So let me grab a squeegee. Let me go ahead and grab a microfiber cloth and clean this really quick. It's pretty dirty. Want to make sure we have a clean surface when we lay these vinyls down, or else they're susceptible to getting dirt under them, and then they start to lift, or they just look not the best. So there we go, that's a little better. Perfect. Let's go ahead and start with the small side. Well, that one was a lot easier than this one. Laid down a lot easier than the other one did, so that's pretty nice. All right, let's do a little compare and contrast here. Wow, that looks really cool. Looks great. New. Old. New. Old. All right. Well, let's go ahead and finish up this side as well. But actually, I forgot that we have one more over here. This guy right there. We need to go ahead and put the overlay on that as well. So let's do it. And this is where the emblem is gonna go, or the vinyl, sorry. The overlay, gosh. Sometimes I just don't have words, you know what I'm saying? Wow, Wow, I gotta say that one was the easiest one by far. Cool. Nice. Now we're gonna work on this last one here. Alright, let's get this side too. Alright guys, well there is the final product. Looks pretty awesome. Love the way it turned out. Just slightly smoked, not anything crazy, which I think it turned out pretty rad. I dig it. But there it is, guys. Boom. Looks rad.